Spark Your Imagination, Techniques for Boosting Creativity. Title: Spark Your Imagination, Techniques for Boosting Creativity. Introduction: 100 words. Creativity is the cornerstone of innovation and progress, enabling us to navigate the complexities of our ever-changing world. Whether you are an artist, entrepreneur, or simply seeking fresh ideas, cultivating your imagination is key to unlocking your creative potential. In this article, we will explore various techniques and practices that can help you ignite your imagination and boost your creativity. By incorporating these methods into your daily routine, you will find yourself thinking outside the box, generating innovative solutions, and experiencing a renewed sense of inspiration. 1. Embrace curiosity and exploration. 200 words. Nurturing a sense of curiosity helps break free from the constraints of routine thinking. Embrace the unknown and explore new territories that expand your knowledge and experiences. Engage in activities like reading diverse literature, visiting art galleries, attending workshops, or taking up a new hobby. Each new encounter stimulates your imagination and exposes you to different perspectives. By seeking out fresh experiences, you take a step towards conditioning your mind to think creatively. 2. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. 200 words. A cluttered mind can hinder creativity, thus, tranquility and clarity are essential for sparking imagination. Engaging in mindfulness exercises, such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga, can help calm the mind and promote mental clarity. Allocating even a few minutes each day to these practices allows you to tap into your inner creative reservoir. Through relaxation techniques, you can free yourself from distractions and create space for creative ideas to flow effortlessly. 3. Engage in brainstorming and ideation exercises. 300 words. Brainstorming is a powerful technique used to generate a multitude of ideas quickly. Gather a group of like-minded individuals or create a personal brainstorming session. Write down any ideas that come to mind, no matter how absurd they may seem. This exercise allows you to think without judgment, explore new possibilities, and connect seemingly unrelated concepts. Additionally, mind mapping, a visual representation of interconnected ideas, can help organize thoughts and stimulate further creativity. 4. Encourage collaboration and diverse perspectives. 250 words. Collaboration with others can provide fresh and unique insights that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. Engage in discussions, brainstorming sessions, or work on group projects to foster a creative environment. By gathering individuals with diverse backgrounds, perspectives, and expertise, you stimulate a cross-pollination of ideas that fuel creative thinking. Embrace constructive feedback and learn from the expertise of others, while also offering your own insights. This collaborative approach not only broadens your horizons but also enhances your ability to think creatively by considering multiple perspectives. 5. Capture and explore inspirations. 200 words. Inspiration can strike at any moment, so it is essential to keep a record of your ideas and observations. Carry a notebook or use digital applications to jot down your thoughts, sketch, or build upon inspirations as they emerge. Regularly review these captured ideas to identify patterns, possibilities, and connections. Exploration of these inspirations can lead to new insights and avenues for creative expression. 6. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. 250 words. Fear of failure often stifles creativity. However, It is important to recognize that failure is an integral part of the creative process. Embracing failure as an opportunity for growth allows you to take risks and explore uncharted territories. Learn from unsuccessful attempts, refine your approach, and never be discouraged by setbacks. Understand that even the greatest masterpieces have involved